Question number 8. Express 27 in Roman notation. Okay. So what is given here? Given number 27. To find Roman number. Solution. We know that Roman numbers are denoted in 1, 5 and 10. Okay. So to convert this number into Roman number, what we have to write? We will write 27 is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to, we can write 10 as x plus 5 as v plus 1 as capital I plus 1 as capital I. So the number will become x v double I. Therefore, the answer is equal to x v double I. Okay.